Hopefully today nothing is going to explode. The last time that I did this, the computer exploded. I lost my hand, but it's growing back. Well, it's only been like 2 weeks. It's already fully grown. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade your hard drive. We're going from a mechanical drive, a regular hard drive, to a solid state drive. This is made by Kingston. The machine that I'm using today is a 2000 and I believe it's a 2012 MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is pretty easy. All you need is the hard drive that you're going to be upgrading to, a Phillips screwdriver, turn off the computer, make sure the computer is not running. So go to the Apple in the left corner, press shut down again. When the computer is fully off, close the lid, flip it over, take out all the screws, because I know you have other things to do. I've already went ahead and taken out most of the screws, so there's only one screw left, so I'm going to take that out. Make sure I don't lose that. Put it somewhere close to me. Open up the lid. So the hard drive that is currently installed is an HGST hard drive. It's a 500 gig mechanical drive, and I'm upgrading to a SATA drive, which is so much lighter and so much faster, I'm told. So the first thing is, as soon as you open the lid, make sure that you disconnect the battery, and the battery connector is right there. So you can use like a nail, your nail if you have any nails, or maybe a spatula if you have a plastic one. Put it in underneath the battery connector, push it up slightly. When it's loose like that, you go ahead and take out. There are two screws that are holding the hard drive in place. There's this one, and there's a second one right here. So loosen up those two screws. Okay. This connector should come out. Place that somewhere close to you so you don't lose it. So most of the hard drives have like this little plastic tab. You can use that to lift the hard drive out of the housing. Put it at that angle. Make sure you remove the hard drive connector. Put that on the side. Grab a new hard drive. If it doesn't already have these metal tabs right here, you can transfer the tabs that are on the hard drive and put them on this one. I already had these tabs kicking around, so I transferred the metal tabs from an older hard drive and I put it on here. So these tabs connect the hard drive first. These little metal tabs help to keep the hard drive from moving, to keep it in place. They're like two orange connectors in the corner. Make sure that the hard drive is lined up. Push it down. Replace the connector. Screw it in. Screw the second one in. That's all you gotta do. Grab your cover. And start replacing the screws. It's as easy as that. So now we just finished our upgrade from the mechanical drive to a solid state drive. I'm hoping that this has helped you, or has given you a little guide as to how to complete this task. If this has been beneficial to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's see if this guy is gonna turn on. Let's see if we get the Apple symbol. He says already has software on it, so it should turn on. Give it a few more seconds. Maybe not. There's another way to do this, a faster way. I'm going to stop it from booting, and oh, there we go. So it might take a few seconds the first time that you install the hard drive. If you need to install some updates or to reinstall the operating system, then that'll be the thing to do, but this one already has the operating system already installed. So I hope this has been beneficial to you. It has given you a guideline. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.